Hello there. Welcome back to IT grade 11. In this video, we want to look at a match test question paper, and we are going to look at question 2 of this question paper that is on matching words. So our question reads: for each of the questions, write down only the letter of the term or phrase from column B that matches the description in column A. So we are given these descriptions in column A, and then we are given the terms that we have in column B, that obviously we need to match with what we're having in the form of our descriptions in column A. So on the first part of our questions, which is 2.1, it reads it converts each program line into machine code and executes it. So basically we pick most appropriate response that we have in column B. But you would see that if you go to let's try to see the correct response that we have there. So you'll see that we have got G, which is the interpreter. So we are just going to refer our 2.1 as G, which is the interpreter. So this one is the correct response that we have for 2.1. So on our answer section, we can just maybe try to present it on our answer section, and we say 2.1. And we are using G as the correct response. So going to the next part of our question, which is saying an example of a high-level language program is, we try to see according to the response given. You see that we've got Delphi, A, and Delphi explanation, further explanation that we can give in terms of Delphi is that it is the fastest way to write, compile, package, and deploy across our platform native applications on Windows. So basically, that's a further explanation that we can give in terms of describing Delphi. So in this context, it's being described as an example of a high-level language program. So we have Delphi, that is one for 2.2. So we are saying 2.2. We have the correct response is A. The relation protocol for the internet. So P. So it's TCP or IP. Then TCP, remember, it stands for Transmission Control Protocol. Transmission Control Protocol. And it is a communication standard that enables application programs and computing devices to exchange messages over a network. So basically, that's again a description that we can give in terms of TCP, which we are saying is Transmission Control Protocol. So we are seeing that TCP is on M and as the great fit for 2.2, 2 we see that we have got M, and we are saying it's a great fit for 2.3. So we've got 2.3 on the answer section, and we are saying it's M. Then we go to the next one, which is 2.4, a safer version of hypertext transfer protocol. We try to see again which one is the correct response. But you see that we have got your socket layer becomes the response that we have for 2.4. So we've got 2.4J. And then we go to the next part of our question, which is going to be 2.5. Low-level language programs are called machine language or dish language. So we go again on our answer section and try to, on column B, try to see which one is the most appropriate. But you see that we have got as a assembly, it's O. So we've got O, which is the appropriate response that we have for 2.5, which is assembly. So 2.5, we are saying O. And then we go to the next one, which is now 2.6, a wireless communication standard that uses an extremely high bandwidth over relatively longer distance. So 2.6, we can try to see which response to we have, which two match is that. So we see that we have got WiMAX that is on P. We have got WiMAX. And WiMAX it stands for worldwide interoperability for microwave access. So you'd see that WiMAX is a family of wireless broadband communication standards based on it's based on the IEEE. So basically, that's the further explanation that we can give in terms of WiMAX. And we are saying WiMAX is the correct response that we have on 2.6. So we come here now, we say 2.6. We are having P. Then we go to the next one, which is 2.7. A network topology in which one terminal failure results in it, which is on K. We have got K as the appropriate response for 2.7. So we can just refer there and say 2.7. we have K. Then on the next one, 2.8, data is transmitted one bit at a time, one after the other on a single wire. So we have a serial, which is E, which is the correct response, which is 2.8 E. We are saying 2.8. A set of diagnostic routines carried out whenever a computer is booted. So we try to check again. But obviously, if you try to read it, say a set of diagnostic routines carried out when we try to locate where we can have we have got G as the correct response that we have. So we say 2.9, we have D. And then obviously the last one is going to be on 2.10, which it says dash is software that is written to the read-only memory in brackets ROM of a computing device. So we try to see we've got firmware as the correct response that we have. So firmware basically it's a software for hardware and is program code embedded in hardware devices. So basically that's a further description that we can give in terms of a firmware, and we are saying a firmware we are using it on SI, so it's our response for 2.10. So we come here, we say I. So this is what we have according to this video. That is on the Makeshift web section. So thank you for listening. Hopefully the video was helpful. Let's not forget to subscribe and share to our channel. Let's share the link to our colleagues who are doing IT grade 11. Remember, more typical examination questions will be uploaded on this channel. So let's stay tuned. Let's get notified by subscribing and turning on the notification button so that when there are new uploads, we get notified. Let's meet again in the next video. As for this video, I'm out.